Hi everybody, welcome to Lexi Loves Baby Alive with a different kind of video today. This is not Baby Alive or Shopkins. These are two things that I have never really seen before, but we saw them in the store and we just picked up a few tiny things. These are the Lalaloopsy surprises and they come in a single pack. They are surprise packs. You can collect all 24 of them. And I just wanted to do a quick opening of them on camera and see what they even are. Oh, this one is really, really cute. I wonder if they have names. I've never seen them before. Oh, they have numbers. They don't have names. So her number would be 356. She's Lalaloopsy 356. She's absolutely adorable. She kind of looks like Little Red Riding Hood to me. And she's not scary at all. My mom thinks they're a little scary. And you don't even need scissors for them. So they're really kid-friendly. Love it. Oh, this one's really cute too, you guys. Look, the little kitty. So she has a cat. It does stand up on its own, I think. Does it? No, it doesn't. Okay, I actually got it. So she has her own little pet kitty, you guys. I'm really happy that I picked up these two Lalaloopsy surprise packs. The number of that cat is, I should say it on the package somewhere, but they're showing all different ones. One cat, 247. She's kitty number 247, and the little girl is 356. This is the packaging, so you guys can see that.
There's 24 in total.
So you can collect all 24. So I have 2 out of 24 now. I really do like them, and apparently they're wearable because they have a hole that goes through the top of their head and the bottom of them. So you can actually put them on your own little, if you want to make your own little beaded bracelet, you can do that. Or I think that they do have a jewelry maker and that you can use this with your Lalaloopsy jewelry maker. But I'm just going to be using them as toys. Maybe one day I could turn them into jewelry with something that I make myself. But I think that they're just really, really cute. I do like Lalaloopsy.
And what's your next surprise?
And then the next surprise...
There was only one in the whole store.
There was only one in the whole store of these two. And this is called the Ugglys Petshop. And this is Series 1. So that's pretty cool to have a Series 1 of something. And let's open this. Ooh. Oh, this one really is ugly. This one's like a rabid dog.
No.
It's a rabid dog. Oh, wow. That really is ugly. And you thought Lalaloopsy was disturbing, Mom? Compare. What's less disturbing here? Lalaloopsy. But this is really cute, though. I actually, for a rabid dog, that's pretty awesome. Oh, and there's another thing in the bottom. That was not the surprise one. This must have been like the surprise one. This one's cuter, actually. This one looks like it's just a little bit out of its mind. Wow, they really are ugly.
Well, that's what they're called.
Well, they are called the Ugglys Petshop, and it comes also with a collector's guide, which is really nice. Love collector's guides. Let's see if it's either the slimiest, the smelliest, or the hairiest.
Oh.
Or the grossest, the stickiest, or the grossest homes.
Let me see the can.
That does not sound normal to me. And then here's what the can looks like. I think we actually got the dog on the can. So we got, let's see if it's,
We don't know if it's ugly or hairy.
or sticky or gross. I think it's one of the sticky pets, this one. Ooh. Gross homes? I think this is... I can't even identify what they are. They're all really ugly. You could find them in sticky, metallic. Oof. Okay, I'm not even sure how you can identify these from the pictures. Slimiest. I think that... These are just very bizarre. I don't know how I feel about these. One of them is
Our dog is very unimpressed.
Yeah,
she slept through this whole thing.
She's so unimpressed with these. She's like, you can't figure out which one it even is. I can't. Oh my god, they give them such.
Maybe
evil
someone in
names.
the comments can tell you which ones you got.
Yeah.
I'll zoom in on them.
Zoom in on them.
And hopefully people can help us out that collect them.
Yes. If any of you guys collect the ugliest pet shop, the Ugly Pet Shop, please leave a comment and tell me the name of those ugly little.
One has to be the slimiest because it looks like he's puking.
Yeah, but all of
The
them.
black and
all
white
of them
one
kind
look
of
like it's
they're
vomiting.
puking. That one looks like. Oh, it's really crazy actually. How hard it is to tell from these pictures because it's like cartoons. It doesn't show what they really look like. Dopey Doberman, Yorkshire Terrier. They give them like mean names too. Oh, it's called Hideous Husky.
Yeah.
Hideous Husky, and it's hairiest. This is one of the hairiest pets. It's called Hideous Husky, and this looks like it might be a smelly one to me. Stuffed. No, it's not stuffed. Stafy. Maybe it's Butt Ugly Bull Terrier. Yeah. Okay, it's Butt Ugly Bull Terrier. That's horrible, these names. So we have the grossest little pets here, and it took me like 5 hours to find out their names. But that's the collector's guide, so you guys can see what I was looking at. That's crazy. These Lalaloopsy packs are so much cuter, I think. Oh, and I love that she has her own little kitty.
Here's the limited edition in case any of you are collectors.
Yes, if you're a collector, you might want that. So this was just...
Oh, you really can't tell who's who.
No, you can't tell. But anyway, these are the things that we got. We got 2 Lalaloopsy and 2 Ugly Pet Shops. And we just did a little surprise unboxing that I wanted to share with you all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember, if you like this video, to like it and then comment and subscribe. Bye, guys.